And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae singer Nesbeth, currently on a North American stint, had to cut short his promotional break after receiving some unfortunate news of his brother Anthony Brown's untimely passing a few days ago. According to a press release, Brown, the younger sibling of the reggae singer, died on Saturday, August 25 at the Kingston Public Hospital only days after being admitted to the facility. The nature of his illness is still undisclosed. Nesbeth shared the news with his fans on Instagram. Brown's passing officially brings the count to 6 family members the singer has lost over the past 6 years. Other members include his beloved grandmother, his mother, his wife, his sister, and his aunt. In a press release, the family of the singer thanked everyone for their continued heartfelt love and continued support in this time of grief, while requesting that their privacy be respected as they bereave a great loss. Grammy-nominated artist Maxi Priest is gearing up to release his album. The project, titled It All Comes Back to Love, will be the singer's first album in 5 years. Maxi Priest aims to create a memorable body of work for his fans. It All Comes Back to Love consists of 14 tracks to be released by BMG Records. The album was produced by fellow entertainer and Grammy-winning artist Shaggy. Maxi Priest and Shaggy have teamed up before on a dancehall mix dubbed I'm Alright. A video for the track was also released. I'm Alright has racked up close to 1 million views on YouTube. This new album will be the follow-up to Max's previous album, Build Up the Strong, that was released in 2014. Maxi Priest was nominated for a Grammy back in 1997 for his project Man with the Fun. He is known for hits like Wild World, Just a Little Bit Longer, Holiday, among others.
And with the words I got to sing along.
Now, on the international scene, American female rapper and singer Lizzo has topped the Billboard chart with her latest released track, Truth Hurts. The track has garnered the musician her first ever #1 spot on the Billboard magazine's Hot 100 record chart, despite having released 3 albums in her career. The industry publication reported that the song rose from 3rd place last week, thanks in part to her performance at MTV's Video Music Awards on August 26. Truth Hurts has also gained over 94 million views on YouTube since being released. The self-proclaimed body-positive rapper emerged on the scene in 2013 with her debut project titled Lizzo Banger. Lizzo has since found mainstream popularity with her 3rd and most recent album, 'Cause I Love You. Comedian and actor Kevin Hart is currently recovering from surgery following a car crash in Los Angeles. Hart was being driven by friend Jared Black. It was reported that Black lost control of the vehicle and it tumbled into an embankment. Both Hart and Black received back injuries, while a 3rd passenger was unhurt. Friends of the comedian, including rapper T.I. as well as actors The Rock and Martin Lawrence, took to social media to wish the star a speedy recovery. Kevin Hart and Black are still in hospital recovering from surgery. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.